video and then I can save the recording and then I can upload it on YouTube and WhatsApp as well. So I hope everybody had lunch. I can see Swapnali, Shatabdi, Sulagna, hello. Varun is watching, hi. Okay. So I got few kalamkari. I'll just wait for a few more people to join in. And Jyotsna, hello. I hope everyone is having a good afternoon. Hi Jyotsna. Hi Anita. I hope you're doing good. Okay, I'll just start with the first exclusive one. This one was requested by one of my client, and she wanted something exclusive on a different fabric, so she left it to me, the price also, and the design also, and everything on me, like you choose whatever you want to do, but it has to be exclusive. So I did it on Kanjivaram. I'll just show you. That will be the first one, and that is on a costlier side because the base sari that I used was pure Kanjivaram silk with gold zari, so the price is quite high for that one. Hi Anshuma. Hi Damira. Okay, I'll just start. I'll just start with the price also, and if I forget a price right now here, you can go on to my website and then price is listed over there. So this is the Kanjivaram that I was talking about. It's pure hand woven Kanjivaram. You can see the motif. It has these peacocks. Okay. The unique part or exclusive part of this sari is it has this beautiful gold palla, gold zari. It's all woven texture. Now that's the real kalamkari. Those we have Bichwai cows. We have Krishanji here playing the flute. That's the palla. Beautifully done. It's completely hand painted with natural colors, natural dye. Then the complete sari body is like this. Floral leaves, flower. I gave the base as the original sari color, and I did not ask to fill in because the grace and the elegance will be there. So you can see the actual beauty of the border along with the original sari color. This is cream or off-white color. That's the opposite. And this is the inside part, but I asked them to do it as a palla also. So if we decide to make this, she can wear this as palla, or sometimes she doesn't want this or she wants a different motif, then she can wear the other side, this side as a palla. So it is double palla depending on your mood. So this is the second palla. The motif is two deer, and this is the life of tree. They're standing under the tree. That's the second palla. So in order to do this, I had to do lots of explanation because I did not want this motif to be upside down. So if this was lotus coming up, then I cannot wear it the ulta side. So I had to ask him to draw something which can be worn both the ways, whether this side up or whether that side up. Now, interesting question the customer asks is, how do we put a fall? Because we put fall to protect the sari, isn't it, and to make nice pleats down. So what I asked her to do is, we can get the extra fabric attached on all the borders upside and here downside, so she doesn't need to do the fall till here. She can just do the border part, extra fabric attached, and then it can be worn both ways. So the price for this is 22,500 or 22,100. So actual price I don't remember, it's already up on the website. It's around that range, 22,000, with double palla. That's the first one, Kanjivaram. Authentic, because it's mid-afternoon. I thought I'll just go live, and then people who are busy can watch the recordings later on. Thank you so much, Rashmi. Hi Radha, welcome. Hi Rimpa, welcome. Hi Anusha. Hi Susnigdha. Hi Shipra. Okay. The second one, again, this is customer's order. I'm going to ship it out today. This is on Paithani, Maharashtra Paithani silk, hand woven. This is the palla, completely hand woven. Okay. So we take the sari first from Maharashtra weavers, and then we send it across to Andhra Pradesh, where the kalamkari painting will be done. So this is the body. It's all natural colors. So whoever wants to see the actual raw drawing, because what I do is I keep asking the artist to keep sending the video when they are processing it. So when they're hand drawing it, when they're filling up the colors, when they're washing it, drying it. So I see the complete process of how it is made. And this has all floral, and the border has peacocks. There, dancing peacocks. This will be the border. This is price range around 14,500. It's on silk, and if we do it on cotton Paithani, it will be around 10,000 to 11,000. So price will be depending on the sari base that you choose. So if you choose little lower range, then it will be lesser price. But I recommend choosing something nice and costly, because you're going to do this beautiful handwork. It requires a lot of time and effort. So why not choose a fabric which will last longer, rather than choosing something just to make the cost cheaper, but it will not last long. So if you really want to preserve the art and the effort, then go for something which will last for at least 20-30 years. That's what I tell my customers. I was trying to drape it. Hi Mamta Singh, hi Chandrika. I hope you're doing good. Just wearing a belt. Short. So you can choose the base fabric, and then you can choose the design, and we can give it for stitching. This is the second one. This is on pure soft silk Kanjivaram. That's the palla, and this is the blouse piece. So you can see 2 elephants up and 2 elephants down. I think this is price range around 9,000, 8,000, 9,000, and it's on pure Kanjivaram silk with silk mark. It's very soft, so it's very slippery if you do not have a safety pin. It'll go like this. And all the sarees, okay, it has this authentic kalamkari smell that you get when you get these pieces. It's the dry milk smell, because they soak these sarees or fabrics that has to be done kalamkari on buffalo milk for overnight for 24 hours, so the natural colors and all the motifs and everything can be seeped in to the fabric. So they bleach or they soak in that buffalo milk, so when they dry it, when they wash it off, the smell of that milk remains. This was on Kanjivaram soft silk. This is again another customer's order. This is on pure hand woven mulberry silk. The sari is woven in Manipur. Then we sent it to Andhra for kalamkari. That's the palla. Radha Krishnji here. Like that. And that's the sari body. Lotus. It's all shaded lotus. And that's a blouse piece. So this portion is the blouse piece. This is price range around 14,500 because it's pure mulberry silk and completely hand woven. That's the sari. So someone was asking what will be the price if you make it on Vidarbha. I do not have any Vidarbha sari, so I do not know what is the actual price of the Vidarbha sari. So if you make it a customized one, depending on the design, the kalamkari artist will take somewhere about 6,000 to 9,000 depending on how intricate or how small the motifs are. So you send in the sari, we can get it done, or whatever sari that I have available, you can choose from there and then we can get it done as well. But we do not have any Tessa sari right now. This is mulberry. Hi Manjula. Okay. Final one. This one I did it on linen cotton. It's again hand woven in Bengal. It has it's very soft. It's very soft. Why? Because they have processed it multiple times, boiling and washing and whatnot. So actual sari weaving has this contrast border, white, red and blue. This is woven thread, okay? This is not kalamkari color paint. It's actually the warp of the sari, the base sari, and this is the kalamkari border done here. This is beautiful, very soft, very very soft and comfortable for people who are looking for kalamkari in non-silk. That's the palla. I kept it very simple with lotus. Then we have this pitch white cows. So the pattern is this only. We kept it lotus all along. So pitch white cows are dancing in the middle of the lotus. So that's the theme. And this does not have a blouse piece is extra white and red stripes, this color combination. So that was a stripe piece, we could not do any kalamkari on that stripe. This is priced at 7,100. Beautiful piece, very soft, drips well as well. Somebody said PP for this linen cotton that I'm showing right now is 7,100 only. It's very beautiful and authentic as it can be. Hi Kanika, welcome. Hi Dolly Saxena. Okay, so those were the 5 kalamkaris that I wanted to show you. And quickly, one Pasapalli arrived from Orissa, so I'll take this opportunity and show it. Beautiful one. This is from Orissa Ikat. It's in mulberry silk. Call it Khandua silk. Design is Pasapalli, okay? They don't come with blouse piece. I forgot the price range of this one. It's up on the website. I think it's around 6,200. 555 or 6,200, I think. So you can look it up on my website or you can WhatsApp me to see the price. It's around 6,000 range. Again, it's completely done handwork, ikat weaving. It's not print. It's complete weaving done with red and classic combination of red and black, and given the border as gold. This border is gold, and the motifs here is Rudraksh, the circles. Hi Palumi, I hope you are the same Palumi from Sydney, if I'm not wrong. So many similar names from all across the globe. Hi Bhakti. Then I'll quickly show Ajrak, 2-3 Ajraks. There, this again came today, so I have to do photo shoot. This is on model silk. This is came right now. Okay, you're from Mumbai, okay. There are 2-3 Polomies from Sydney, so I thought you were one of them. Anyways, welcome to my live. If I'm saying your name for the first time. This is on model silk. Very flowy and fluid fabric. Whoever has purchased this model silk, they are like in love with this fabric. They said it's very soft, and if you know, this fabric can be made to hair scrunchies, the hair fall will not be there, and then if this fabric can be made into pillow covers, they will sleep throughout the night. So that's what one of the customers said. The fabric is so silky and so soft. complete model silk. It comes with blouse piece. This is checker. The reason why I handpicked this is because I really love this horses. So on the bottom border, it has this line of horses going there. For the first time I'm seeing this motif, so I'm like, I need to get this. It's very unique. Horses anyways depicts victory and then success in life, so I am inclined towards horses for some reason. So that's the complete sari. The whole sari looks like that, and this is the blouse piece. It's all natural dye, okay? Ajraks, it's all natural dye. Some ajraks are there in the market which has colors like sky blue, then you have a light green, pink, purple. Those are chemical dye, because natural products, we do not have such natural ingredients to make such bright colors. That's what my Ajrak guy educated me. So I'm just trying to convey the same message. And then natural dye tends to make the colors not that brightest of the blue. These are all, the blue is indigo, so it has a dull shade of indigo towards black, for example, faded red color towards orange. So the natural colors will be like this only. That's the first model silk. The second one, this I have sold many pieces. Still I can't get over it because so many of you are demanding for the same sari. It is this. Half is completely plain solid because some people don't like overall work. It's too heavy on the eye, and they choose something where, you know, it complements each other. So the body is here, solid black, then ajrak on the bottom side of the palla or the border, and that's the pallu. Show you the blouse piece. That's the blouse piece. Thank you everyone who is clicking on the thumbs up and the hearts. Thank you so much. Makes me feel that I'm not talking all alone and somebody is watching me. Hi Juliet. Your name is so pretty. Reminds me of Romeo and Juliet. Hi Chumki. Hi Rashmi. Hi Anks, right? Then few patola saris. These are cotton saris, cotton patola again. These are from Gujarat. All ikat weaving. These are range of 5,000 to 6,000 range. Market price of these is around 7,000 to 8,000, but the direct weaver is giving it. So what he does is he sends all his stocks to me, and then I need to help him generate a sale, and then whenever the pieces get sold, and he's like, I have to pay him then. He's not like someone I have to pay advance, so he trusts me with his products. So he keeps sending these products, and then market price for this is too high. He said, I'm keeping the price so low, so other sellers might complain to me, but it's okay. If you are getting it at reasonable price, then you will be promoting more of such rare weaves, which is quite non-affordable nowadays. So these are range at 5,000 to 6,000. I think this is 55 or 56. These are all cotton ikat woven sari, cotton patola sari from Gujarat. That's the first one, indigo. All this patola cotton in saris, they come with blouse piece, plain color blouse piece. So this will have this border color blouse piece, solid. Okay, another one. This one is also blue. This is beautiful, indigo. This is indigo blue with the red. This is palla. Body is very pretty for this one. Body is this, just like you get on silk patola saris. These are 58 range, 5,800. Juliet said something. Lovely hairstyle changed. Yes, I changed my hairstyle. I shaved my hair off. I was trying to teach my daughter how to accept yourself. So I'm just setting the right example, and she doesn't get stuck into the definition of what beauty should be. Whether it's fair, dark, brown, black, short hair, balls, long hair. Everybody is saying what you are inside your heart, not the physical appearance. Hi Preeti, how are you? I'm wondering how many people are joining in. If you are at office, how are you allowed to join the live from office or in the middle of the work? This is another one, very pretty. The body has dual shade of blue and red. Blue, grayish, yeah, it gives a grayish. Then the border is blue. Motif has yellow, white and red. This one is very pretty. Again, 5,800 range. Oh, this cotton patola saris are 5,800 range. This has elephant motifs here along the border. Then all this geometric. Hi Nikita. Hi Pravina. Next one. This is in light blue. Looks like light blue. Again, that's the palla. It's the body. It's a very subtle color blue. Blue with the gray. Blue with the black, giving gray look. And it has plain blouse piece, solid color blouse piece. The blue color, the border. Hi Divya. Hi Sweta. Those are the cotton patolas on website. Some of them are listed, which have been already photo shoot, so you can have a look. Log on to our website amaria.in and then go under Gujarat category, and you will find all these items listed there. I'm making this a mixed live because whatever I can see, I'm just grabbing those and then showing it off. This is matka silk jamdani. Waiting for a customer also. I'm just showing it. So if you want to see more colors, I think there are 3 or 4 colors in this matka silk jamdani. This is the pallu. It has beautiful lotus. This is lotus with the lotus flower there, lotus leaves. Okay, so this is single layer. From here till here, the fabric is muslin silk. Okay, you can see muslin. It's transparent. So if you see this portion, it's transparent. It's not transparent because the weft over here is matka silk, The weft over here is muslin silk. So this to this, you can say it's transparent, so the motif appears nicely. From then on, it's matka silk, so it's thick. So this is single layer. It doesn't show the blouse or the skin. Very classic, not very flashy, not much of work. This you can wear to office also. This has just border, thin yellow thread. I think it's yellow and not a zari. It's yellow thread. Then it has the beautiful motifs on the body, and the color is subtle green, not parrot green or not apple green, but it's in between. Very light pastel green. That's beauty. So this sari you can wear it at office for formal look. You can pair it with a very nice blouse, or you can wear it for occasions also, for functions also. If you wear a very nice sleeveless or a designer blouse with a deep back open, you can wear it for weddings or festivals also. Very nice. You can pair with a golden blouse, golden designer blouse. So you can style it up according to your taste, what and where you want to. Who is this? Hello Amy, finally. Shetri Mayum. Hi, I never knew your Yumnak, your last name. So finally you are here. I hope you had your lunch and then you're not sleepy. I think I should do live around this time so you don't sleep and then I wake you up from your afternoon urge to nap. Isn't it? Hi Subhashri. Hi Rashmi. Hi Anju. Okay, what do I show? What do I show? I wanted to show something else. I forgot. I'm so lazy today. I did not wear a blouse and then wear a sari. I just thought, okay, let me just quickly do live and then show, because I have to pack this and then send it across. Some were asking for kantha saris. Kantha saris are will come in stock next weekend. Next weekend. Yeah, that's a plan. That sounds like a plan. Yes, let's do that. Every afternoon I'll come here, even if I don't have any items to show. I'll just chit chat and talk random things to keep everybody busy. This is dupatta. Manipur. Moirangthi handloom dupatta. So that's about it. I wanted to show you the kalamkari sari, so that's why I did the live, and then maybe I'll do a live. Some Cambodian ikats are coming, Cambodian pattern ikat from Telangana. Maybe I'll do live in 2 or 3 days. Maybe, yeah. This is dupatta. Okay. If you're wondering what is this, this is dupatta, or inafi we'll call it. Hi Rina. Hi Mitali. So many people joining in. So many people. Okay. So that's the end of me showing the kalamkari saris and few of the patola saris. So let's let me see if somebody has. Subhashri, what's the price range of the matka silk sari? That was 7,100. Yeah, 7,100. dun, 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 dun. Okay. I think that's all. No other questions? Thank you so much, Sheila Khan. I hope you're doing good. I think it's been long time. I haven't heard from you. Yeah, that's the end of the live show. So thank you everybody for joining in. I will be putting this recorded version of this live. If somebody missed out the entire, you can follow our YouTube channel, Arya Ethnic, and then I will be uploading this lives on my YouTube channel as well, so you can follow me. I'll be uploading yeah, I'll be uploading a tutorial on how to wear our Manipuri traditional attire, the panik and pea. So everybody who wants to try how to wear our traditional attire can go to our YouTube channel, and then you can find those. And then I might also try to do a tutorial on how to wear a mekhla chadar, so you can find all those tutorials up there. So thank you so much. Hi Shani, yes, you're late. You called me the other day, but that was not for me, maybe for some other seller. So I hope you did not transfer the money to some other seller thinking it's, you know, me. I hope you got the products that you're looking for. I had no mekhla chadars at that point of time when you were inquiring. Hi Mamta Singh, you are late. I'm just finishing off, so I'll just say bye bye and take care everybody. So bye bye, have a good rest of the day and enjoy. Bye bye.